Is it time to buy or sell LENZ Therapeutics stock? In this video, we will explore LENZ Therapeutics in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 7th of August, 2025, our system has ranked LENZ Therapeutics as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.86. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 7.97%. This results in an average return of 3.99% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further increases. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15.9% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 0.9% to 22.2%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 14.43%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 33.81% and 34.92% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would translate to a future price between $22.95 and $46.79. Our latest daily update for LENZ Therapeutics includes the headline, Significant Movements in LENZ Therapeutics Incorporated Stock Price on Friday, fluctuating by 11.03% between high and low. The stock price of LENZ Therapeutics Incorporated increased by 7.97% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of August, 2025. It rose from $32.12 to $34.68. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 11.03%, with a low of $32 and a high of $35.53. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has experienced an overall increase of 9.68%. The trading volume also rose on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 676,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in 1 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $39.3 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $38.93, while the lowest was $16.54. Currently, the stock price is 10.92% or $4.25 below the 52-week high of $38.93, which is also the all-time high for the stock. LENZ Therapeutics recently garnered significant attention following the U.S. Food and Drug Administration approval of its eye drops, VIZ, designed to treat presbyopia. This approval marks VIZ as the first treatment based on aceclidine for improving near vision, addressing a condition that affects 128 million adults in the United States in a unique manner. Additionally, LENZ reported an astonishing 604% revenue increase in its second quarter results, which bolstered confidence in its financial trajectory, despite a quarterly loss of 53 cents per share that exceeded analysts' expectations. Looking ahead, the company is pursuing market expansion by filing a new drug application for its LENZ 100 in China and securing a recent exclusive commercialization agreement for Canada. Such strategic initiatives indicate LENZ's strong growth potential, particularly within the lucrative presbyopia market. Analysts suggest that with solid financial backing and a strong projected demand, the stock presents a promising upside potential of approximately 30.9%. In the short term, this combination of FDA approval and revenue growth is likely to attract investor interest and potentially elevate stock prices. Long term, as LENZ capitalizes on its innovative treatments and expands globally, the stock may experience sustained growth, making it an appealing option for investors seeking momentum in the healthcare sector. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned LENZ a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, it was noted that H.C. Wainwright also gave LENZ a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, it was reported that Raymond James rated LENZ as outperform with an initiate action. On Thursday, the 15th of August, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned LENZ an overweight rating with a hold action. On the same day, the 15th of August, 2024, Citigroup again rated LENZ as buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Lenz Therapeutics stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for LENZ Therapeutics. LENZ Therapeutics Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be a downturn, support levels are identified at $30.93 and $31.84. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Nevertheless, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting the near-term outlook. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 16th, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 1.45%. Additional decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 18 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 7 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell signal 66 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 64 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for LENZ Therapeutics. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $30.48 and $29.96. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this support may lead to a decline toward the next support level. In the case of LENZ Therapeutics Inc., support lies just below today's level at $30.48. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $29.96 and $28.08. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.53 between its high and low, amounting to a change of 11.03%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 7.87%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for LENZ Therapeutics, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could raise concerns about bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of November, 2025. Analysts currently project a consensus estimate of negative $0.67. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for LENZ Therapeutics. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for LENZ Therapeutics is at $34.69. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, LENZ Therapeutics encounters its first support level at $30.48. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for LENZ Therapeutics from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Versant Venture Capital 6 Limited Partnership, who bought and sold 726,177 shares or options in the company. Based on the 74 most recent insider trades, we have calculated that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 47.179. In total, insiders purchased 8,501,190 shares and sold 1,130,110 shares in the last 74 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $33.30, reflecting a decline of 3.99%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. There is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 17 days ago. Is LENZ Therapeutics stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for LENZ Therapeutics Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. However, after assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of August, we anticipate that LENZ Therapeutics will open lower by 610 cents, beginning trading at $34.07. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from everyone here at StockInvest.